Okay YouTube, so you want to try and sort these problems out with your garden, these holes, because of these little puppies. Sometimes it's a real problem because all they do is dig and create holes everywhere. There's one here, there's one here, so yeah, it's a real problem. And obviously they're quite protective of their holes as well. So the way to stop it, or stop them digging any further, is quite simple. If you get their own poo, yep, not very nice I know, and just put that in the hole like that, and then cover the hole up. What happens is, they shouldn't go back. Well, obviously it doesn't work. That is an epic fail. Yeah, not quite sure what to do about that. Total fail. Anyway, worth a try. Don't even know what to do now. Maybe concrete the garden. Yeah, I'm going to concrete the garden. Goodbye.